There's a great piece by my friend David Steinberg at PJ Media. PJ Media is a very good site, very good website. And there have been many, many changes to this Obamacare law, many. But a group called the Galen Institute, which is also a good group, focuses on in particular 18 of them, because these are major changes. 18 major changes to a law. And the way I look at it, but I guess I'm alone, those are 18 impeachment charges. 18 violations of his constitutional oath, hence 18 violations of the Constitution. Right here. Here's the charges. This is the charge sheet, and it would obviously be much longer. And the idea, by the way, that a president can say, I didn't know what was going on in the IRS, that's unacceptable, whether he knows about it or not. He's the president. The buck does stop on his desk. He's responsible. I don't know. What do I know? I think he knows everything. I'm convinced of it. I think he knows everything that's going on. I think he's surrounded by a couple of mob-like figures who are loyal to him and only him, and will do anything to advance his agenda and protect him. That's what I think. And I also think this is the first administration in my memory where there hasn't been a special counsel appointed, that is, a special prosecutor, separate and apart from this pathetic attorney general, to investigate scandals. And this president has had serious, serious scandals that go to the heart of who we are and what kind of a government we have. And isn't it amazing? No special prosecutor. None. So what are some of these changes Obama has made to the Obamacare law? And I've pointed out some time ago, there is no Obamacare law. I'm glad they're talking about it on Fox today and yesterday. What is the law? There is no law. It's whatever he says it is. Number one, Medicare Advantage. The administration ordered an advanced draw on funds from a Medicare bonus program in order to provide extra payments to Medicare Advantage plans in an effort to temporarily forestall cuts in benefits and delay the early exodus of Medicare Advantage plans from the program and to push it through the election cycle. Number two, employee reporting. Contrary to Obamacare legislation, the administration instituted a one-year delay of the requirement that employers must report to their employees on their W-2 forms the full cost of their employer-provided health insurance. And the reason Obama wants that eventually is to tax you. That's why. And not till we get these messy elections out of the way and pull the wool over your eyes. Number three, subsidies may flow through federal exchanges. The problem is the law doesn't allow federal exchanges. The law only allows state exchanges. But the IRS decided, obviously at the direction of the president and the White House, we're going to create these federal exchanges anyway because otherwise Obamacare falls. Well, we can't have that. So where did they get the authority to do it? There is no authority to do it, period. Number four, closing the high-risk pool. The administration decided to halt enrollment in transitional federal high-risk pools created by the law, blocking coverage for an estimated 40,000 new applicants, citing a lack of funds. Oh, well, all these people with pre-existing... No. You've heard that over and over again, and yet tens of thousands of people with pre-existing conditions do not get the special coverage. Number five, doubling allowed deductibles. Number six, small businesses on hold. Number seven, delaying a low-income plan. Number eight, employer mandate delay. Number nine, self-attestation. That is, because of the difficulty of verifying income after the employer-reported requirement was delayed, the administration decided, well, we'll allow people on their own to say that they qualify. Delaying the online shop exchange. The administration first delayed for a month and later for a year the launch of the online insurance marketplace for small businesses. Number 11, the congressional opt-out. That is, Congress wouldn't be covered by the very law that they imposed on us. Number 12, delaying the individual mandate. Number 13, insurance companies can offer canceled plans. Number 14, exempting unions from reinsurance fees. Number 15, extending pre-existing condition insurance plan for those who qualify. Number 16, expanding catastrophic hardship waiver to those with canceled plans. Number 17, equal employer coverage delayed. Number 18, employer mandate delay again. Now, many of these don't mean anything to you. But what should mean something to you is the President of the United States on the fly is rewriting a statute. What should concern you is not only how that might affect you and your coverage, which is important, but since when the hell does a President of the United States rewrite a statute without even consulting Congress? Worse than that, when Ted Cruz got up on the floor of the Senate for all those hours before the implementation of this law on October 1, and they were even making suggestions for changing the law, the Democrats said, no, no, hell no, you're not going to touch Obamacare. And Obama himself has touched it almost 36 times. Never before have we had a party in the United States Senate that cares less about the institution of the Senate and more about advancing an agenda, a radical agenda by a president.